I'm happy to be alive. Why these busters live long and all the good people die? Think about my nigga Swoles, wishing we could get high. From the gutter selling crack and weed just to get by. Ain't nothing sweet, these niggas sour like lemons. Talk about you behind your back, in your face smiling and grinning. Say fuck these pussy niggas, I'm gon' ride with the women. My mama, all my family members, we gon' ride to the ending. Cause this the shit I'm talking about. The one you show much love to and bring them laws to your house. Put me in a situation, now it's hard to get out. Don't wanna take your charge, I'd rather go and talk the shit out. The way I feel, I'd rather spark the shit out. Chop your dick and your nuts off and put that bitch in your mouth. If it ain't by loyalty, then what it's really about? I gotta stay focused, can't take the penitentiary route. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, even though life seems hopeless. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, even though life seems hopeless. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, even though life seems hopeless. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, even though life seems hopeless. 10 years where I've been in this game. When I was 15 years old, I was flipping cocaine. When I was in summer school, I was spitting propane. 17 years old, I caught a case up in the dope game. Look, I had a scholarship to get my degree. I fucked it up in the streets, I thought it wasn't for me. The sold a lot and bought a lot, but I ain't got no receipt. Ain't nothing about this game sweet, these white folks playing for keeps. Pursue this rapper, pursue life in the cell. I'd rather be chillin' with my niggas than getting kites in the mail. Life is about choices, only the righteous prevail. And all I know is the streets, I live my life through a cell. So you can bullshit with this rap if you want. I put that bullshit to the back and put this rap to the front. You only live once, so it's real how I come. I put that bullshit to the back and put that rap to the front. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, even though life seems hopeless. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, even though life seems hopeless. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, even though life seems hopeless. I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, I gotta stay focused, even though life seems hopeless.